Hello there! In this video I want to show you how to master gestures on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So firstly, let's start from the home page. What we can do here. To see all of your pages, you just need to swipe left or right like that, and you'll see your whole information about your applications and each of your pages. Now, if you just swipe down from the upper right corner, you will trigger the control center. Let's do it once more. And here is the control center. Here you can manage brightness, volume, and use many other features such as flashlight, for example. Now, to close it, just simply tap any free space of the screen like that. And to trigger the notifications, we just need to swipe down from the very top of the screen and you'll see all of your recently received notifications here. To close it, just swipe up like that, and that's it. Now, to see the search tab, you just need to swipe down from the middle of the screen, and here is the search tab. This is really helpful if you have lots of applications and you cannot find YouTube, for example. So just use the search tab and here type in YouTube and you'll see it immediately. Now let's open, for example, App Store, and here we can go back to the previously opened application just by using our 4 fingers. We need to swipe like that to the right side from the left to the right, and it will open previously opened application. It is not very comfortable for me to do this, but I'm gonna try to show you. So just swipe like that, and now YouTube opened. Let's swipe again, and the settings opened. So this is really useful to switch between apps. Great. Now we can also swipe up very slightly and docs will be opened. So if you want to use a split screen, you just need to select an application and drag it onto the screen like that, and now you can use 2 apps simultaneously. For example, you can use such a combination of apps like YouTube and Notes, so you'll be able to watch videos and make notes at the same time. This is really useful feature. If you want to close this Notes application, for example, just swipe up like that and it will be closed. Also, you can use these 3 dots on the top of the screen and see this close option. And here it is. My personal favorite is opening Quick Notes just with the help of swiping up from the bottom right corner like this. But if nothing opens in your case, then we need to enable it in the settings first. So let's open settings, go in the multitasking and gestures, and here we need to enable this swipe finger from corner feature. And for the bottom right corner, select to open Quick Notes, and also we can select for the bottom left corner to take a screenshot. Let's check how it will work. And here is how it looks. So now let's open the Quick Notes, and here it is. So to highlight one word, we just need to tap it twice, like that. And to highlight a whole paragraph, we just need to tap 3 times. And here it is. Now we can also open any web page, for example this one. And here we can just select information like we would normally do. And now use this pinch gesture with the help of our 3 fingers. Let's do it once more. And open Notes, for example. And here paste this text with the help of this gesture. And here's how it works. So that's it for today. I hope this video was useful and thank you for watching.